Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a public classroom in ClassIn. First, open your ClassIn application and navigate to the Classes section. Look for the option to create class or new class and select it. You'll then choose the public class type. This initial setup ensures your classroom is discoverable by a wider audience, allowing more students to join your educational content easily and efficiently. Next, you'll configure the core details of your public classroom. Provide a clear and engaging class name, along with a concise description that highlights what students will learn. Specify the maximum number of participants, which could be, for instance, 100 students. Upload any necessary teaching materials, such as presentations or documents, to ensure everything is ready for your learners. This step is crucial for attracting and informing potential students. Now it's time to schedule your public classroom sessions. Carefully select the dates and times for each class, considering different time zones if your audience is global. Before finalizing, take a moment to review all the details you've entered, from the class description to the schedule. Once you are confident everything is correct, proceed to publish your classroom. This action makes your class live and accessible to students searching for new learning opportunities. After publishing, you can effectively manage your public classroom. Keep an eye on student enrollment numbers and track their progress throughout the course. ClassIn provides various tools to help you interact with students, share announcements, and facilitate discussions. Remember to check the description for a link to grab Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Engaging with your students and utilizing these features will ensure a successful and dynamic learning environment for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.